Hello there. So welcome to yet another update of Speech to Note. In this particular update, we will be giving you the ability to background process your audio. So what I mean by that is once the recording or upload of your recording is completed, your file will automatically go into background processing for further transcription and summarization. So this is applicable in the case of whether you are doing a recording using the application, a web application or mobile application, or whether you are trying to upload a pre-recorded audio from your device. So let's take a quick example of a pre-recorded audio. This will like the file will only go for background processing if it's more than 5 minutes in length. If it's less than 5 minutes in length, we will not send it for background processing. So let's take an example of a file which is more than 5 minutes of length. So I have 36 upload credits left. I'll click on upload. I'll select this audio and now I'll wait for it to upload. But once the upload is finished, you can see it has gone for background processing. In this particular state, you can also close this tab and then you can open a new window or new tab, like in which you can open your speech to note account, and you will find that it is still getting processed. And you can also browse other folders as you want. Once the background processing is done, you will see that this icon has stopped rotating. You can click on it and you can just click on this note. So until and unless you click on this processed note, this will stay here in order for you to ensure that, in order for you to make sure that you can go back to that processed note. So once I click on it, I can see the entire transcript as well. So this is also applicable for people who like to generate transcript and format along with it. You would be able to see a transcript plus format along with it once your processing is complete. Also, if you, there's another, I'll try to upload the same thing again. I'm running out of credits, but I'll do that again. So let's say that I'm uploading a background process. I'm uploading a file for background process. I can also start another fresh recording. So hey, this is a fresh recording while another file is on background process. I can stop it. So since this was a quick recording, this will get processed immediately, but the one that is going for background process will keep going on. So yeah, like you can see that this file has been again processed like it was, like, sort of going in the background. This is very handy if you are uploading big audio files for transcription and summarization, but you don't want to wait on exploring rest of the notes, or you want to quickly record another idea. So this feature is going to be pretty handy for that. So yeah, in this update, we are launching background process to all of Speech to Note Pro and Pro Plus users. I hope you like this update, and let me know your thoughts in the comments, in the replies. We'll be waiting for your messages. Cheers.